In this video, you'll learn how to obtain a Binance Visa card. By following these steps, you will be able to check your eligibility, apply for the card, and activate it for use in your transactions. Begin by navigating to the Binance website or opening the Binance app on your device. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to log into your account. After logging in, look for the Binance card section, which can typically be found in the main menu or under the Finance tab. It is essential to verify whether the card is available in your region, as availability may vary based on your location. Once you confirm that the Binance Visa card is available in your area, check if you need to complete any identity verification. This may involve submitting identification documents or confirming your personal information. Completing this verification is crucial as it ensures compliance with regulations and allows you to proceed with the application process. After verifying your eligibility, locate the Apply Now button within the Binance card section. Click on this button to begin your application. You will be prompted to enter various required details, including your shipping address and identity information. Make sure to fill out all fields accurately to avoid any delays in processing your. Once you have provided all necessary information, review your application for accuracy. After confirming that everything is correct, submit the application form. You may encounter a loading screen while your application is being processed. Once your application is approved, you will receive a notification either via email or directly within the app. After receiving approval, it is time to activate your card. Go back to the Binance app and navigate to the card section. Here, you will find an option to activate your card. Follow the prompts to complete the activation process. Additionally, ensure that you transfer funds to your funding wallet, as this is necessary for using the card for payments. Once these steps are completed, your Binance Visa card is ready for use in transactions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.